if I never mentioned it before, I absolutely love living in Atlanta. YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you, I had the honor and the great privilege of attending the Curls, Kinks, and Culture Festival on yesterday, hosted by Talia Wajid. And I'm going to share with you, I was able to get some footage. Again, I have to really get used to really being out and vlogging again and just pulling my camera out and taking it out everywhere. But I will insert some scenes as I'm talking through this video. It was just a beautiful, beautiful melanated event on yesterday. Just some beautiful, beautiful people. There was some great vendors there, music. It was outside at the skate park. It was just a beautiful, beautiful event that I'm just so glad and blessed that I was able to attend. First start off talking about the event. It was actually a free event. It was a free event to the public, but they did have the VIP, and I actually was able to purchase the early bird VIP tickets, and that ticket only paid 30 bucks. And with that ticket, you had there was a special dedicated covered area for the VIP section. It was very, very nice. It had white furniture all throughout. They had like a Samsung photo booth at the end, and then they had a bar at the ends of the VIP section. So they had throughout the VIP section the different tables with the different VIP sponsors. So as you came into the VIP section, you showed them your ticket. They gave you a neon green wristband, and then you went to each tables to collect your items. And that's what I'm going to be sharing with you. I'm going to share with you because this is, and I mean over the years, if you follow the channel and you know me, or if you know me personally, I am an event person. I love interacting, I love networking, and I love events. I just love attending all different types of events. And this by far is one of the best gift bags that I ever remember receiving, especially going to a natural hair show. I have full products, and I will be sharing that in this video. So I'm going to share with you what the VIP bag consisted of. I'll also be sharing with you my purchases, my hauls, and then I'll also show you some of the freebies. So I hope you enjoy. VIP ticket, it came with one drink ticket. You had access to the covered VIP section. It also gave you, there was an exit where you can get to the vendor. They had a few vendor trucks that was there. It was live band. It was an open field area with just vendors. So I did take advantage of going around to all of the different vendors to see you know, who was out there and what I was interested in buying. I will also be sharing businesses with you, even if I didn't make a purchase. But if an individual spoke to me and I got their business card, I will also be sharing that information for you to check them out as well. But to start, we'll start off with my VIP bag. When you got into the VIP section, and of course I had my little cute 5-year-old with me, enjoying a lot of the festivities as well. When you got there, you got this VIP bag. This was your bag. And then you went to all the different tables. The first table, one of the tables, not maybe even the first, where they were sponsored by the Huberts. I got the Huberts lemonade. This one is the blueberry lemonade, and I will leave links to the businesses below. I had this one, and then I had also used my drink ticket and got this one. They had several different flavors. I know I seen a watermelon. My son had a blueberry. He had like it was a reddish color. I think it was like a tropical berry or something like that. They were selling these for $4 at the bar. I did buy my son one of these, but it came with this. This came in the bag. Also, these chips, original gourmet, all natural, gluten-free, no MSG, Symphony potato chips. Also came in the bag. Let me try one of those. My son wanted to start eating these yesterday. I told him no. To wait for my video. Light and crispy. Created by a retired restaurant chef from Las Vegas, Symphony chips was born out of a spice blend product that is sampled on homemade potato chips for customers to taste. Very light and crispy. It says original, but they have like a slight seasoning to them. Really good. Okay, and then I believe everything that was on the Talia Wajid table they gave you, so I'll bring out her products. I got the Talia Wajid Bamboo and Byington Advanced Formula Vitamins for Healthy Hair. I will definitely be checking those out. I'll definitely be taking those. The Apple and Aloe Apple Seed. And again, these are full-size products. They came in your VIP bag. The Talia Wajid Repair and Restore Mask. The Apple and Aloe Apple Cider Deep Conditioner. This is the Protective Style Ditch the Itch Bamboo, Basil, and Peppermint with Aloe Shea Anti-Itch Serum. I will definitely use this when I go in Protective Style for the scalp. See the size on that. Can I take that in my luggage? It's a 2 fluid ounce. I'll be packing this with me when I go on my trip. I have the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twisting Cream. And these are full size, guys. Only paid $30. I got the early special. I believe the tickets start to increase after the deadline of the early bird special, because I seen them for $50. But still, for all this, that's still not a bad price. Okay, and also for Talia Wajid, I got a lip balm. Okay, and for the Huberts Lemonade, I got a cute little pen. They gave one to my son also. I think his had like an emoji smile, or their smile. But yeah, I got this cute little Huberts Lemonade pen. And this one is from Aleo. I hope I'm spelling it correctly. Aleo Waist Beads. Got some waist beads. They're like a bronze color waist beads. I love to adorn my body with waist beads and all types of elegant jewelry. Love it. Okay, and then the Uncle Jimmy Men's Quality Grooming. This is the body lotion. Look at the size of these. I only paid 30 bucks. This is 2B Black. This is an energy drink classic. Mixed Chicks, the Morning After Redefining Foam. They also had some foundation bronzer sticks in the Mixed Chicks as an option, but I always decide to go with the hair products because I'm really funny when it comes to makeup. I would definitely have wanted to try to make sure that it matched my skin, so I went with the hair product. But some of the VIP sponsored tables, they did have different products for you to choose from if you wanted to go with something with hair, or you can do this or that. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then the Fro Babies. I got this. I'm going to use for my son. I also stopped by this table, and I'll speak more to that when I show you the items that I purchased. But yeah, this came, so this will be for my son. This will probably be a future video. We'll see how he responds. But yeah, the Fro Babies, it's extra gentle, sulfate-free softened hair made with honey and avocado. Fro Babies. And then Hypnotic. They had another choice of something else. I think it was a head tie, but I'll hang this in my car. Smell good. Hang it in my car. Okay, and that was it for the VIP bag. I thought that was, I mean, you figure if you're spending anywhere between $8 to $10 on an item, and I paid $30 and got that whole thing, a free drink, covered. I was under the covered section. They had the really nice white leather couches. I mean, it was just so worth it. It was a free event for many, so it was a really, really beautiful turn up. They had the section for the kids. They had face painting, and I'll just get more detail to that. Now we're going to go into the items that I purchased, and then I will show you my sample items. There is a YouTuber by the name of PJax1 that I had just recently started following. As I'm online, or when I see vloggers that live in Atlanta, etc., I will tend to follow them just to, you know, stay in contact, to know about the events, etc. I had recently started following PJax1, and I happened to see her under the Wonder Curl booth. And I believe I still follow Wonder Curl on Facebook. I had been following her for some years. So she had a booth set up, and PJax1 was under there working the booth. So I, of course, seen her first. And then when I seen the line and seen the owner, I was like, oh my God, I've been following Wonder Curls for so many years. And then to recently start following PJax1 on YouTube, I was like, I have to definitely support. So I did buy the Wonder Curl Sealing Hair Butter. This was $20. It is no parabens, no silicones, no sulfates, no minerals. Has all the ingredients in there: shea butter, castor oil, and aloe vera. Look at that. Take a look at that, and it smells so divine. Yes. So I paid 20 bucks for this. It's a leave-in moisturizer. Especially with the weather coming, and they gave me this cute little bag. And then I stopped by the jewelry designer Baba G's. I had met him previously at a prior event in July, and he has some extraordinary, beautiful handmade jewelry. When I say beautiful, I really wish I could have recorded his table, but it was just so busy, and I had my son there and everything. But he has some beautiful, beautiful jewelry. Next time I do run into him, I'll definitely try to make that happen. But he did also tell me that he provided the jewelry that was in the Black Panther movie. So I thought that was really cool. Really, really nice man. So what I purchased from him was, I purchased waist beads. As I stated, I love to adorn my body, whether it's earrings, anklets, waist beads, earring. I mean, I just love adornments. Picked up these two waist beads from him. The first waist bead is a green, red, and yellow, and it has the little bead in the center. And he measured them and everything and made sure everything snapped and fit to me perfect. I really didn't even want to take them off, but I didn't want to show my tummy on this video. Then I also purchased this white one from him. It has the little ladybug fillet. Thought that was really pretty. Again, he made sure everything fit to perfection and measured to perfection. And it has a little twist snap. So I'll leave his information below. He has some beautiful pieces. And then I went to the Fro Babies booth. When I tell you, let me tell you something a little bit about me. I love to shop. I have come across so many owners and people who have things, and a lot of time a person's attitude, or I would say 90% of the time, will sway whether I will make a purchase from that individual or not. When I tell you, when I went to the Fro Babies counter, the owner, and I need to get her name because she is not only beautiful, but she had the best outgoing personality, and I watched her be like that with every single person. So I told her, I'm going to tell all of my friends that have children to definitely check out the line. I had to go and purchase something from her. As you've seen in the VIP bag, I already had the shampoo for my son, so my son was with me. She looked at his hair, and out of all her other items she had there, she told me to try the leave-in conditioner. So I picked that up for him. She had a special where she was doing 3 for $15 or 1 for $8. So I went with this one. And possibly this will be a future video. We'll see how he does. I asked him, did he want to do a video? He said, of course. But I just love her presentation. Look how they have the crowns. Look how the kids have the crowns. Because, hey, we have to inspire our children that they are fabulous and absolutely wonderful. Then she gave me a bag with it, which came with her other items. some of the other items she carries. And then she gave me samples. They gave me a sample bag. So we got the Puffy Hold Me Down Baby Gel, Detangle Me Baby Leave-In Conditioner, Curls a Poppin' Souffle, Honey Bubbles Moisturizing Shampoo. That's what we have. So she gave me several samples, and then they also gave me another bag of just samples. They're samples. And this is great for when I'm traveling with my son, because I take care of his hair just like I take care of mine. Whatever, most of the products, the natural hair care products that I use on myself, I definitely use on him. But if there's a kid line or something when I'm going to these events, I always make sure I get something for him as well. And then, of course, they had the Talia Wajiz throughout. The Talia Wajiz booth throughout, so I grabbed a bag from them of their samples. This I have the leave-in. This is the apple and aloe line shampoo. This is the bamboo and avocado and pepper restoring serum, and the Hold Me Down gel. And she also included a brochure with hers as well. I did get stopped by a few of the vendors that was there. One young lady, she does art. She was carrying a huge painting. She has some very beautiful art. I didn't get to go by her booth because it started getting late, and of course I had to take my son to play. But here's her information, and I will leave her information below if you want to check out some of her art. She has some beautiful, gorgeous paintings. I wish I would have been able to go by her booth and do some recording, but I wasn't able to do so. But check that young lady out. And then there's a podcast, Proud and Curly. I registered with them as well. Really nice gentleman stopped me, so I wanted to share his information, and I'll leave his details as well below. Then he gave me this little sticker. Overall, it was an absolutely fabulous event. I had a wonderful time. My son and I. It was very kid friendly. They had a lot of little sections on the side. Fro Babes did have a face painting section, which was really, really cool. So my son was able to get his face painted. He felt like a Wakanda warrior, so he was excited about that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you attended this year's Curls, Kinks, and Cultural Festival, please let me know how the event was for you. Or if you went prior years, let me know how your experiences was. As always, thanks so much for watching.